Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I see a lot of new two-piece suits in here, all little outfits in here. These are $15.98. It comes in that cream and the black. So I was in here and I was getting some things that I needed, and I saw these and I was like, you know what, let me just go grab the camera and come back because I had left it in the car. But this is too cute not to show y'all, and I know that these are gonna go fast. These are 20. So it's a zip top, of course, and it's a hoodie. Let's see, what's that one? Well, that's a plain black dress for 15, and that one is 15. So they have it in a purple, black, gray, and these tops are 16. It's a brown, the flannel. These are 20. The sweater material. It's in that beige, this color, and the green and black. These are 20. These are 20. These were here before with the pants. These are 20. It's the top with the tank top in the bottom. I see green and gray. I think that's the only colors. Yeah, green and gray. Oh no, they do. They have pants at the bottom, at the back of them. Okay. So it's a 3-piece for 20. These are given Shein. That's nice. I like those. See if it's a different color back there. Only see it in green and gray. And it's another one of the skirt sets. 20. On the plus size, they have some of the cardigans. Tiara and Sky for 18. These are 20. See it in that plum, the beige, black. That's a pretty color. These are 30. So this one in a green color. Jessica Simpson, these denims are 32. And I see right here she has some of the jumpers. These are clearance down to 11. Some different pillows, 15. This one, that one says Gratitude, My Texas House by Erin Bogafold. I hope I said her name right. And then there's some other pumpkin pillows right here. We did see these, but I think they added some different colors. So it's the orange, the beige, the blue. These are 10. And it's like golden color. Uh-oh. Some throws. These are 5. I don't think that Hello Kitty one is 5. They just threw her in here. Oh, they do have Spider-Man in here too. And you know what? Because they have these and the throws, I'm going to show y'all the little mini fridges, even though we saw them before. Show them to y'all again since they're right there. Those are the prints on all of the blankets. And a mini fridge for $30. Spider-Man, Minecraft, Barbie, and Hello Kitty. And I see some candles. We did see these candles last time, but these are new. For $5. Wooden wick candles. So it's farm, apple, and pumpkin. Warm weather and amber. Blue fern and citrus. Noble fir and pine. Soft cashmere and amber. And salted coconut and mahogany. They smell good. They have some of their fall scents. Frosted pineapple and cupcakes. Butterscotch and maple cream. Berry lemonade and melon. I think that's the summer one. Farmhouse berries. They always have the vanilla cookie crunch. That's one of my favorites. Orange buttercream and cupcake. Brownie and pecan. Caramel apple toffee. Warm cashmere spice. Apple spice crumb cake. These are $2.48. Cuddles and cashmere. Frosted lemon bars. Wild berries. Fresh cut. Spicy cinnamon stick. Farm apple and pumpkin. Banana bread. Banana and pumpkin bread. The orange buttercream. Okay, we just saw that one. These blankets are 10. This is the bats. The ghosts. The pumpkins. It's a spider web. This is $120. Slim espresso maker. The 3.5 quart stand mixer, $59. This one is marked down to $35.40. With the print on it. This one is $60. 6 quart programmable slow cooker. I don't know if the price is $60 or not. They also have this one, 10-in-1 6 quart electric multi-cooker. In the white and blue. And these are $40. 3 quart digital air fryers. Uh-oh. And the mixers. The pot sets are $100. 12-piece ceramic non-stick cookware set. And they're adding some new candles. It's pumpkin snickerdoodle. These are 10. Farm apple pumpkin, spicy cinnamon stick, and fresh cut Fraser. We saw these. They're pretty much already sold out. 15, 15, 18. These are 10. And look at this, a fragrance warmer for 20. So you can either put the trees on the side of it or the pumpkins. You can switch it out as the seasons change. That's nice. For 20. 17, the candle warmer, and this one is 17. More pillows for 11. They have all of their scarecrows and stuff too. Of course. You've already pretty much seen most of the fall. I've already walked to their Christmas section too. They don't have any of their Christmas out in this location yet. Brainiac glitter ice kit, that's 10. There's the glitter jelly shot. Fancy cocktail decorating kit for 10. Oh, edible glitter packets. Those are 10. Fancy candied apple, $8.98, and some sprinkles. Frog's Breath Punch, 6. And all the goodies and sprinkles. Caramel, ground coffee, cinnamon apple, herbal tea. Eyeball pretzel dipping kit, Halloween pretzel dipping kit, witch's hat brownie kit, and Spooky Friends vanilla cupcakes. So they have some of their harvest molds for 10. And I do see some Halloween ones on the next one. Let me see something. She has a microwave too for $129. And here's the Halloween one. Any new cups over here? No. $25. Your water your way. This is the one where you infuse the stuff in it. Straw sip tumblers. There's a blue one, 2 blues and a greens. Eucalyptus, midnight blue, raindrop, and fog. Don't forget a sip. These are 20. They go flat like little pillows, or you can hold them like buddies. Circle back around to the clothes. These are 10. Is it by Granimals? Is it a Granimals collab? No. Spider-Man. There's Cars. Mickey and Bluey. Jurassic Park. Got a Bluey one. Still have some of the cute little dresses. Mommies get to Walmart. These are $5 a piece. I definitely picked up a bunch of these for Skyra. She's wearing this one now. Picked up this one, and this one, and they have the bottoms that are also $5. Something. Just throw on. This one is so cute. I didn't see this one when I came. And then some of the bottoms. And then they do have the dinosaur ones. The trucks. And then here's the bottom to go with them. $5. Granimals, especially if your baby is like in daycare. This is nice for them. Nice, comfortable. Throw it on. It doesn't even matter if it gets dirty, messed up. Got some Peppa Pig, Lion King, Minnie Mouse. These tops are $6. Peppa Pig, Snow White. Oh, that Snow White one is pretty. Hello Kitty in purple. Peppa, they have some of these 2-piece sets. Bluey. What's that? Hot Wheels. Ninja Turtles. Simba. Who's that behind Simba? Oh, the Care Bears. We did see the Care Bears. These are $13. Minnie and Daisy. Pink Floyd. Cars. Is that Bluey? Yeah, Bluey. And the trucks, okay. And they do have these. These were here last year, $15. Just in case y'all wonder why I keep skipping over them. Some of them are clearance. This one is clearance to $9. Ariel, Belle, same ones. These are $15. No Boundaries. I have it in black. $23. Oh look, they have some of the denim ones. $19. $17. $13. It's a Sherpa, the brown leather, and the black leather. These are $15. These are $15 and $12. These are already on rollback for $3.97. Now we did see the Peppermint Dazzle by Soft Soap, but I'm trying to remember if the other one was the Vanilla Soiree. I think it was another one because I would have remembered this one, but it's Vanilla Soiree, Vanilla Macron scented. I think in the other Walmart it was another one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go look back at my own video, but those are the two limited edition scents. All right, and they do have these scents, limited edition fragrances. We did just look at these in Target in case it looks like deja vu. Now Target didn't have the pumpkin spice. They didn't. I don't remember seeing the pumpkin spice. Okay, lavender and almond blossom, ripe cranberry and currants, fresh pine juniper, brown sugar vanilla, golden pumpkin spice, cashmere woods, fall night long. Those have been here, the Hawaiian breeze and stuff. I'm gonna check one more section before we get out of here. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm getting out of here for now. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping around with me in Walmart. These are at $80. 12 piece by Time and Table. Hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed walking around and chatting with you guys. I went to go see if they had the new McCormick seasonings. Have y'all seen those? I'll probably put something on the screen. Have y'all seen those new seasonings? I want to see. Ricky did want to try one, so I was seeing if I can catch it. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping around with me in Walmart. Hope y'all enjoyed this like I was saying, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.